Welcome to our lesson on maintenance and testing of refrigeration systems. Proper care is essential for keeping systems like refrigerators, air conditioners, and cold rooms running efficiently, which is vital for preserving food, storing medicines, and ensuring comfort across Nigeria.
By the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify key maintenance procedures, understand how to perform them, and appreciate why they are so important. First, let's understand the basics.
Maintenance involves all actions taken to keep equipment in good working condition. Testing is the process of evaluating a system to find faults or confirm it's working correctly. Both are crucial for safety and efficiency. These two activities, maintenance and testing, go hand in hand to ensure a long and productive life for any refrigeration system.
There are three main categories of tests we perform on a refrigeration system:
Leakage testing, blockage testing, and performance testing. Let's look at each one. The most common test after a repair is the pressure test using dry nitrogen. A steady pressure reading means the system is sealed tight.
Nitrogen is used because it is an inert,
Safe and readily available gas that won't harm the system. Once a leak is suspected, we can pinpoint its exact location using several methods. The soap bubble test is simple and effective for larger leaks. Electronic detectors are very sensitive and can find tiny leaks. For very slow or intermittent leaks, the UV dye test is an excellent option.
Each method has its advantages, and a professional technician knows which one to use in different situations.
Next is blockage testing. A blockage in the system, perhaps in the filter dryer or capillary tube, restricts refrigerant flow and causes the system to fail. We diagnose this by analyzing pressure readings. By connecting manifold gauges, we can read the system's pressures. A classic sign of a partial blockage is a high pressure on the discharge side and a very low or even vacuum pressure on the suction side.
This tells us the compressor is working hard, but very little refrigerant is circulating through the evaporator, preventing proper cooling. Performance testing helps us ensure the system is running at peak efficiency. We check temperatures,
Measure the compressor's current draw with a clamp meter, and verify proper airflow across the coils.
For example, a high current draw
Can indicate that the compressor is overworked, possibly due to a blockage, incorrect refrigerant charge, or an electrical fault.
Finally, let's discuss maintenance.
The most important type is preventive maintenance. This is a schedule of regular checks and tasks designed to prevent problems before they happen. Key preventive maintenance tasks include cleaning dirty coils and filters, checking electrical connections, and ensuring the refrigerant charge is correct. These simple actions can dramatically improve efficiency and extend the system's life.
A dirty coil cannot transfer heat effectively,
Forcing the system to work harder, consume more electricity, and eventually fail. Regular cleaning is one of the most effective maintenance tasks you can perform.
In summary, we've learned that effective testing helps us diagnose problems,
While proactive preventive maintenance helps us avoid them altogether. Mastering these skills is essential for any technician in the air conditioning and refrigeration field.